Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Rufus on Windows in a very simple way. For that, you have to simply open any of your browser, then simply come over into the search option, simply search for Rufus download. Then you're going to get the first website, click on that. And here you just have to select it, which version you want to download. I'm going to download Rufus 4.14.exe. It's a Windows X Expert standard one. Click on that, click on download, and click on the folder icon. And here is your Rufus. So if you click on it 2 times to install and click yes for the permission, and minimize all of your backgrounds app. And from here, you just have to select your USB port. If you connect it to your USB port, it will going to come over into device option, and then you can simply click on start. That's it. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install Rufus on your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.